expression problem here. So our first example, we have a minus 10 plus 3. I write down the PEMDAS at the bottom. I like doing it horizontal versus vertical because then it kind of has the built-in reminder of left to right. Plus the arrow will help us read that and remember we solve left to right whenever possible. First thing for any expression is identify like terms. I generally box them if they're next to each other so we can kind of see what it is and what we're messing with. So we don't have an extra variable or a. So we have negative 10 plus 3. So in that box, it's going to be a positive or a plus negative 7 since we took our symbol with us. After you solve or reduce these, simplify these expressions, I like to put in a number. You can put in any number. The best way to double check these is to plug a number in and solve both expressions. So the original, let's just plug in a 1, okay, for a. So I like to hold parentheses there. Alright, so 1 minus 10 plus 3. 1 plus a negative 7. Alright, so moving left to right, 1 minus 10, negative 9, plus 3 is going to be negative 6. Alright, so what's 1 plus 7 equals negative 6. So your simplification here, a plus a negative 7, is correct because you get the same outcome. Okay, so many people say that, let me erase and restart. The same problem, many people might, or some people might want to do this differently. Say you leave the subtraction, leave the negative there. So you're going to end up with a minus a 13. That's not going to give you the same answer if you plug in here. So if you plug in that same 1, this was going to be a negative 12 for a. And this is still going to be a negative 6. So the symbol is a part of that. You want to make sure you take the whole thing in the like terms, because if you do not, you're going to have a different answer. And the reason for that being is, if you really think about it, you're taking out the second half of the problem, of the expression, and you're doing it out of order. That's why the PEMDAS and left to right is so vital, because it will change some of your answers, most of your answers, in fact, if you do not do it in the left to right order.